Here is a quick construction update. Sorry kung madilim, but that's the purpose of this video. Well, as you can see, sobrang dilim dito sa area dahil nagawa na yung roof namin. I mean, it's not done yet. Pero magpipaint pa sila. Pero nakikita niyo yung light dyan. That's the light we use upstairs. Kita niyo naman, sobrang bright outside. Madilim lang talaga dito. But our light is actually on. Lights. Meron din sa likod. Pero super dilim. Super kalat din. Super dilim. Kaya naman, nag-order ako ng solar. Antayin ko siyang dumating. Hopefully, dumating agad. See that? Dito dapat kaliwanag dun. But because of our roof, ganyan na. Super dilim. So yeah, I'll wait for the solar lights to arrive.